Get ready with me, Paralyzed Wheelchair Edition. And shout out to AWAX for all the Pirates clothing. There's a link in my bio where y'all can go shop right now. Y'all can dress how I dress. Today we're finna wear this gray one. Gonna show you how I get dressed paralyzed. I either do it in my wheelchair or I do it laying down in my bed. It's a lot easier when you do it in bed. You could just spray it all over this thing. No homo. Put on these shoes. It's fire. I can already, I don't feel my legs, but they feel comfortable. I think they would feel comfortable. Y'all like my dark humor? I got a real dark humor. Everybody hates it. Some people be like, damn, my legs hurt. I'll be like, damn, my shit too. Check out this new Pirates clothing merch. Look, hold on. We even got pillows. We got Pirates pillows. Hold on. We even got, hold on. We ain't done yet. Hold on. What's this? Let me open this. We got Pirates blankets. Yeah, we got real Pirates blankets. Go to the link in my bio and go buy one, man. Oh shit, I almost fell out the bed.